Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS Lightsail instances using automated snapshots, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To backup your AWS Lightsail instances using automated snapshots, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Lightsail dashboard from the Services menu. Select the instance you want to backup. On the Instance Management page, find the Snapshots tab. Click on the Create Snapshot button to manually create a snapshot first. This step helps you understand the process before setting up automation. Once the snapshot is created, go back to the Instance Management page. Now, look for the Snapshot Schedule link on the same tab. Click on the Create Snapshot Schedule button. You will need to choose a name for your snapshot schedule. Select how often you want the snapshots to be created, such as daily or weekly. Next, specify the time of day for the snapshots to occur. Consider the best time that minimizes impact on your instance's performance. Now, review your snapshot schedule settings to ensure they meet your needs. After confirming the details, click on the Create Schedule button. Your automated snapshot schedule will now be set up. You can return to the Snapshots tab to monitor your scheduled snapshots. To restore from a snapshot, select the desired snapshot and click Create New Instance. This will launch a new instance based on the snapshot you selected. Repeat this process for other instances if needed. Regularly verify that your snapshots are being created as scheduled. With this setup, your data will be backed up automatically, ensuring it is safe and recoverable. Congratulations! You have successfully set up automated backups for your AWS Lightsail instances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.